Voltage 110-120 vac corded. How does this haircut clipper work? The precision ground blades work through hair fast while the high-speed fan creates a powerful airflow that collects all the trimmed hairs for easy cleanup. Do not use liquid cleaners on the cutters or harsh or corrosive chemicals on the unit's main body. 16-piece kit. The all-encompassing kit includes 6 length-altering combs, right and left tapers, a styling comb, barber scissors, a cleaning brush, a blade guard, 3 sectioning clips, an oil bottle, and an extra-large storage pouch. These accessories join the dependable hair clippers to give you all the tools you need for a great haircut. Dual motors. Innovative dual motors power precision hair clippers and the vacuum suction. The high-speed fan collects trimmed hair to keep your floor and counter clean. Extra large chamber. The removable collection chamber is large enough to contain all the trimmed hair from a cutting session. Top reviews from the United States. Long-lasting, easy to use. I like the new color on the screen housing. This is the second one of the Remington vacuum hair clippers I have owned. I wore the other out and was very happy to find another. I use mine mainly for a buzz cut, so I can't tell you much about all the adapters and their use, but they are all with the unit, along with comb, scissors and lube. I would buy it again and recommend the Remington clippers. I almost forgot, I buy them because the vacuum works so well.